The Skoda Fabia III, produced from 2014 to 2021, features an instrument cluster that serves as the central display for essential vehicle information. This cluster combines analog gauges for speed and fuel levels with a digital display showing trip data and other details. The instrument cluster includes analog gauges for key metrics like vehicle speed and fuel levels, providing immediate visual feedback to the driver. A digital display area shows additional information such as trip distance, fuel consumption, and service reminders. In higher trim levels, this may be a fully digital cluster. Navigation is handled through buttons on the steering wheel, allowing drivers to access menus and trip information without taking hands off the wheel. Higher trims also support touchscreen control. Use the steering wheel buttons to navigate the instrument cluster menus. The menu button lets you cycle through options like trip, vehicle, and settings. The left and right arrow buttons scroll through items within each menu. Press OK to confirm selections. This intuitive system prioritizes driver safety by automatically timing out after 10 seconds. The Skoda Fabia III instrument cluster includes two trip computers labeled A and B, designed to track your driving data since the last reset. Access trip data through the trip menu using the steering wheel buttons. Press the menu button to cycle through options, then use the arrow buttons to navigate to trip. Each trip computer tracks key metrics including total distance traveled, elapsed time, average fuel economy, and current fuel consumption rate. To reset a trip computer, either hold the trip button on the steering wheel for a few seconds, or navigate through the menu options to select Reset. Trip computers are valuable for monitoring fuel efficiency on long drives and maintaining journey logs for route planning and expense tracking. The Settings menu in your Skoda Fabia III instrument cluster offers several customization options. Access it through the steering wheel menu button, then navigate to Settings. First, you can toggle between metric and imperial units. This affects speed, distance, fuel consumption, and temperature displays. Choose the system that matches your driving preferences or local regulations. Next, adjust the display brightness. Use the brightness slider in the Settings menu to optimize visibility. This helps reduce glare during daytime driving or ensures readability at night without straining your eyes. You can also enable or disable various alerts. This includes tire pressure warnings, fuel level alerts, and safety reminders. Customize which notifications appear to focus on what matters most for your driving. Remember, while customization enhances your driving experience, avoid excessive changes that could become distracting. Prioritize essential information to maintain focus on the road. Advanced users can use OBD2 interfaces like OBD11 or VCDS to access hidden menus and customize vehicle settings. These tools allow tweaking parameters such as warning thresholds and display settings beyond standard options. This goes beyond what the standard cluster menus offer, providing deeper customization. Be cautious. Incorrect settings can affect vehicle performance or safety. Proceed only with a good understanding of vehicle systems to avoid risks. Users often report display flickering or dimming issues, particularly in older Skoda Fabia III models. These problems can be caused by firmware instability or environmental factors like high heat. Start by checking the brightness settings in the cluster menu. Navigate using the steering wheel buttons to adjust display brightness. If the issue continues, consider software patches from independent tuners. These can address display flickering and other stability problems. For persistent problems, consult a qualified technician who can diagnose hardware issues or perform professional repairs. Community forums like Skoda World provide helpful tips and DIY solutions from other owners who have experienced similar issues. Remember that while the Fabia III cluster is generally reliable, addressing these issues promptly can maintain optimal performance. While official Skoda support ended in 2023, aftermarket digital clusters from brands like Momo or VDO are available for retrofitting. These upgrades replace the original analog-digital hybrid cluster with a fully modern digital display. Aftermarket options provide a contemporary look with customizable layouts, improving the overall driving experience. Available from reputable brands such as Momo and VDO. Installation costs typically range from $500 to $1,500. For optimal performance, Always verify compatibility with your Fabia 3 model and use professional installation services. As Skoda focuses on newer models, the Fabia 3's built-in trip data system may become outdated. Consider smartphone mirroring apps like Torque Pro to integrate trip data with mobile analytics. This allows projecting trip data and vehicle information onto your smartphone screen, preserving your data as technology evolves. It ensures continued access to trip information beyond the Fabia 3's built-in system.